We'll guide you through how to log in Blackbox AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many new users feel confused about how to properly sign in to Blackbox AI. They may not understand the difference between logging in with email and using a Google account. Clear step-by-step instructions help them access the platform quickly and start using its features without errors or delays. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type Blackbox.ai carefully into the address bar. Then, press Enter on your keyboard to access the official Blackbox AI website. Once completed, you will automatically be directed to the Blackbox AI website homepage. Next, click Home in the upper right corner to make sure you are on the main page of the site. After that, click Sign in the upper right corner to begin the login process. If you want to log in using your email, enter your email address in the field provided, making sure it is correct and active. Then, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid typing errors. Click Login to enter your account and wait for the system to process your information that if you want to log in using your Google account. Click Continue with Google on the sign-in page to use your Google credentials. A new window will appear showing a list of Google accounts that are currently signed in on your browser. Then, click the account you want to use to log in and make sure it is the correct account connected to your work or personal use. The system will automatically verify your selected Google account and connect it to Blackbox AI. Once completed, you will automatically be logged into Blackbox AI using the account you entered earlier. After the login process is successful, the dashboard or main interface will appear on your screen. Blackbox AI is ready for you to use, and you can now start exploring its features and tools according to your needs.